the next chapter of Tour Guide.
Achoo! Thank you, Sam. Bless you.
This is the part of the wood. It's the fourth part of the wood where bears used to live. It's dark, nice, and forward with loads of trees that bears can hide behind. And camouflage, since bears are brown, black, and kind of whitish, well, they can camouflage behind trees because trees are browny, blacky, whitish. So that's how bears can actually hide behind the trees. And then these squirrels, they find holes in the trees and they go and live and curl up. And that's like, and then they camouflage behind the trees and in the trees because they're black, white and brown. The same as trees, the same as bears. And we just had a birthing boy. Moving on. Excuse me, we are having some circumstances.
Sorry, technical difficulties. Okay.